Welcome.
A few days ago, the richest man in the world, billionaire Elon Musk, posted a tweet saying, "Use Signal." And everyone was surprised after that. So what happened? Signal is a communication app similar to WhatsApp, but much better in terms of security and privacy. After Musk's tweet, some people decided to use the Signal app, and others decided to invest and get money from it. Those who decided to invest immediately went to the stock market and decided to buy shares in Signal. Then Signal wrote an explanation. "It is understood that people want to invest in Signal's record growth, but that's not us." The statement issued on behalf of the party that is responsible for the Signal app stated, "We are an independent organization subject to Clause 501(c)(3) of Section 26 of the U.S. Nonprofit Corporations Act, that are exempt from federal taxes, and our only investment is your privacy." So all those who decided to invest in it were surprised that they searched for Signal, and what appeared to them was Signal Advance, and mistakenly bought shares in it. What is Signal Advance? It is a very small American company with almost no employees, except its owner, that provides services to workers in the medical and legal fields. It has nothing to do with the Signal app that Elon Musk nominated.
Signal Advance Inc. is poised to make major breakthroughs in the medical and science industries, which may benefit companies in these market areas: energy, transportation, medicine, military defense automation, and manufacturing processes. Signal Advance Inc., an engineering and technology development firm, has developed and patented Signal Advance technology, a proprietary methodology that can significantly speed up the detection of electrical signals from a wide range of sensors. This technology can offset inherent signal detection and processing delays, potentially provide an overall net temporal advance of the signal, reducing system response time. Signal Advanced technology can also be applied in conjunction with other signal processing and response improvement methods to enhance system performance in many aspects of medicine, military, automotive, transportation, energy, air travel, aerospace, and may result in entirely new control or interventional approaches in these sectors and beyond. Signal Advance is speaking with key players and targeting leading companies in each sector to expand their technology. For more information, go to signaladvance.com.
This small company was working on the stock exchange. Before Elon Musk's tweet, the value of the company's share on the stock market was 37 cents, less than 40 cents. After Musk's tweet, the share's value rose by 1,100%. According to CNBC, the value of one share has become $6.36, and thus the Signal Advance owner's fortune increased to $660 million after this tweet. Did you know that Elon Musk wanted to receive money quickly from the internet, so he invented PayPal? Wanted to drive an electric car, invented Tesla. Wanted to travel to space, so he invented SpaceX. And today he wants to live on Mars. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and click like to this video to encourage us to provide more, and activate the notification bell to get all new videos.
Goodbye.